Burping is a normal body process. It is the act of removing air from the stomach through the mouth. Whenever you swallow food or any fluid, you swallow air as well. This air is accumulated in the stomach and it stretches the muscles. This air escapes from the food pipe through the mouth, and this process is known as burping or belching. Accumulation of gas is another reason that people burp. Symptoms of burping. Burping itself can be a symptom of conditions such as acid reflux disease, gas, or any other digestive system disease. In most cases, burping is normal. Individuals expel the air accumulated in the stomach through the mouth. Depending on the cause, it can occur more often, forcefully, or last longer. Natural herbs and remedies for burping are given as follows. Caraway. Caraway offers many health benefits for the stomach. It improves the digestive system and helps to release the gas collected in the digestive tract. Caraway is a common herb used in Indian kitchens. There are multiple ways to make use of caraway seeds. To use caraway seeds, you can put them in your foods and dishes. The seeds can also be used as a seasoning in your salads and soups. You can also use caraway seeds as appetizers. Anise. Anise is useful in many gastrointestinal disorders, including gastric reflux. Anise is also beneficial in various stomach troubles, and it can also be used to get rid of gas. To get the benefits of anise, you can choose some anise seeds directly. It is a spice used in many Indian dishes. You can also make a decoction using anise, ginger, fennel, and cumin. Put all these ingredients in water and let the water boil. Cool the decoction and sip on this drink whenever required. Turmeric. Turmeric provides many health benefits for the stomach. It helps in poor digestion and also helps in people who experience indigestion. Turmeric also aids by getting rid of gas present in the stomach and intestine. You can take a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a glass of milk. Turmeric is also added to numerous foods and curries. You can also drink turmeric with warm water. Ginger. Ginger has many health benefits. It can enhance digestion and is very helpful in digestive problems like indigestion and gas. Ginger is a common kitchen ingredient in every Indian household. There are many ways to incorporate ginger into your diet. For example, you can use fresh ginger or ginger powder to make yourself a ginger tea. You can also mix ginger, lemon juice, and some honey in a glass of warm water. Another ginger recipe is to grate some fresh ginger and add some lemon juice. You can take this mixture whenever required. Anise. An important benefit of anise is that it helps in digestion, aids in the removal of the gas from the stomach, carminative properties. You can use anise as a spice and add it to foods and dishes. You can also take anise powder directly to prevent burping. Fennel. Fennel is a well-known and widely used plant for its digestive benefits. It also helps to eliminate gas from the stomach and manages other digestive disorders. There are many ways to use fennel seeds because of their diverse applications. You can add fennel seeds to various foods and dishes as a flavoring agent. You can also choose some fennel seeds after dinner. You can make simple fennel tea by crushing some fennel seeds and putting them in hot water. Let the water simmer, and the fennel tea is ready. Drinking fennel tea will help you to get rid of gas and burping.